Hey guys, welcome to e500 channel. My name is Oleg. Today I will do review on this new Askmy e500 electric bicycle, which is the most affordable e-bike on TikTok shop. And the reason I want to make this review to give you more information, which will be more accurate, which I saw in many streamers or listed on the store. So that's why I want to make this video. So first I want to tell you about the size. So the seat is about 33 inches from the ground. Handlebar is about 45 inches from the ground. That makes it more comfortable for rider who is 5'5" and probably 6'2" feet tall, even taller. I'm 5'11", as you can see, and it's a good size for me. Here's my feet. If I pedal it, it's still fine. It's actually not bad for Emoped style bicycles at all. But if you're like over 6 feet tall, you may just use a throttle. Still will be fun to ride, but it will be a little bit shorter. But again, this size of the bicycle is normal for this kind of Emoped style. The frame usually between 30 or 29 inches to 35. So this one is kind of between 33 inches from the ground. The seat actually is not bad. It's pretty comfortable for this affordable bicycle, which is under $600 right now, and it's flash sale even cheaper. So about the fork, it has about an inch travel, so about maybe 40 millimeters, maybe 60. Yeah, looks like 60 millimeter travel. And the rear shock, it's maybe less than an inch. It gives you a little bit like smooth ride, and the ride is pretty smooth while you're riding, but it's not like off-road machine which will go and do downhills and crazy stuff. It's just city bicycle. You can take it probably on the some fire lanes to ride it, but not like downhills what they listed on the store. It's no downhill fork. It's a steel fork. It's a strong fork, but it's not for jumping, do like stunt and stuff. It's just for normal riding. The e500 comes with a mag wheels, which is very strong usually. You don't need to do any adjustments. They're aluminum or magnesium, which is great. Wheels, usually more expensive. It comes with tires, which can be inflated up to 20 psi. They are more like off-road tires, but they are just fine to riding in a city as well. It comes with a front, I would say half fenders, just attached to the fork. The fork, as you can see, it's about, I would say 60 maybe millimeter travel. There is no adjustment at all, so it's just basic double crown fork. And on the rear, you're gonna find full fender, silver chain. The chain ring, it's not the largest, kind of in between middle. I would say you can pedal probably up to 20 miles before you can get ghost pedaling. It does come with a cadence sensor. So basically, when you turn the pedal forward, I just show you right now reverse, but if you turn the pedals, it will activate the power in the motor and it will give you assist. So it's not like a torque sensor where you push hard, so you will not sweat when you pedal it. So it's pretty good for many people. It does come with a 7 freewheel or cassette, whatever you call it, on the rear. So it gives you 7 gears shifting to go in uphill or just comfortable pedaling. Also, the silver chain looks pretty cool on this bike. It comes with a derailleur guard, Shimano derailleur, which is most basic, look like turning one. Yeah, it's turning derailleur. And the guard will protect in case you drop the bike, the derailleur, so it will not break, okay? And it comes also on the rear mag wheels and mag motor, which is 750 watt continuous power. The peak power, I would assume about 1000 most likely. They claim it's like 1500, which I don't think so. But again, it's a 750 watt motor with probably peak power 1000, which is very decent and powerful motor, I would say, for this bike. And it's the same tires. You're gonna find a rear shock, which is a PC688. It's just the cheapest shock you can find probably. It has some adjustment, but very small. You can twist it and it will just do a little bit firmer adjustment and smoother. But again, you can always replace with better ones. But again, it's a basic one. Still give you a little bit smooth ride, but nothing special, I would say. It does come with a controller like hidden under the seat over here. And the seat is pretty good. It's comfortable, nice seat, vegan leather. It's a one-person rider, so 2 people will not fit the seat. The bike comes with a two set of keys. One is for the battery to put it on and off. The battery can have a switch on and off over here, so you need to turn it on in order to start to use the bike. Also, here's a charging port, and over here you can, when you push, you're gonna see the battery status. The red button will be always there, so regardless if it's fully charged or not, you just look, once it starts to discharge, the green one will start to drop. Okay, so that's totally normal, and that's how it's supposed to be. It does come with a BMX style handlebar, which is cool. Pretty long riser, I guess. It does come with a key ignition, which separates from the motor. You would need to insert it, twist it, and will start. The display is pretty bright in the shade, or at night. On the daylight it would not be as clear, as not as bright, I guess. But for some reason, when you turn it on, it comes with 3 modes. Pedal assist mode. This button to switch pedal assist mode. So once you push on it, it will drop to 3. When you push again, it will go to 1. And one more time you push, it will go to 2. So basically you're going from in circles. So you cannot jump from 3 to 2 or from 1 to 3. So you have to just basically keep pushing, so one at a time when it drops. And this is a speed, basically. It will control your speed, how fast you can go. You can use the throttle. It comes with full throttle, like motorcycle. You just twist it and it will go on. Or it comes with a pedal assist. So depending on the pedal assist level you select, let's say 1, it will go to the certain speed, and then it will cut off. So if you put 2, it will go to a certain speed, and it will cut off. So maximum speed I reached on pedal assist level 3, on the bike, I weighed over 215 pounds, was 27.5 miles, based on GPS. For some reason, I cannot switch kilometers. I'm still in contact with the company to see how to switch from kilometers to miles. If I will find out, I will list it as well, all this information, how to do that. But I don't know how to switch so far. So far, it's in kilometers. So in kilometers, it can go up to 48 kilometer maximum with no load, and I guess with a load as well. On the left hand side, you're gonna find switch for headlight, easy switch on and off. Okay, one button, and turn signals left and right, and even horn, very loud. So let me show you how the headlight works. And here's headlight, it's very bright. And here's the tail light, it's on. Here's turn signals to the left, and here's signal to the right. You can also attach over here like plate if you have real one or fake, basically. And also looks like they give you options to attach the rack on the back, so you can attach rack. I don't know if they do sell them on the website, not from TikTok, but they looks like the frame allow you to attach the rack right over here. The frame, it's steel, carbon steel, same as a fork, so it's adapt some weight to it. So the bike is somewhere close to about probably 48 kilo, most likely, maybe 50 kilo. I'm not 100% sure. I didn't really weight it, but I know it can hold up to 150 kilo rider. So it's about 330 pounds rider. Okay, so I'm 215 pounds, and I'm just fine going up to 27.5 on the short road. If you're longer road, it can go probably up to 28 miles an hour on throttle only. And the same way will be with pedal assist, most likely. E500 comes with mechanical brakes with a pulling cable, so it's not hydraulic like listed. I asked them to change, so most likely they will change later on. There was some mistake in the print, but it's mechanical. 160 millimeter disc brakes on the front and the same brakes on the rear. It's not as powerful brakes, but you can adjust them and they should work just fine as mechanical brakes. Again, this is a budget electric bicycle under $600, and actually on the motor on the side you can see right here, I'm gonna zoom a little bit, you can see it says 48 volt 750 watt. And this is continuous power, and the website says like 700 or so, also incorrect. So basically this is 750 watt motor, very good priced bicycle, come with aluminum kickstand. So that's basically all the spec about this bike you want to know. Over here you're gonna find 7 gear shifter, easy to use. So to drop it, you just push on this button. To pull it up, it will change it. You have to do it during you pedaling, not on while the bicycle standing by. So again, to start the bike, you just twist it and it will be on in level 2 position for some reason. Turn signals, when you use the turn signals, you're gonna see also on display which turn signals you use, so that's very good as well, because some of the bicycle does not show. So I can say that E500 comes with so well equipped with all the features. The most expensive bicycle does not have it. And here's what I think about this bike, and you can make your own decision if this bicycle is right for you. So again, this is one of the cheapest electric bicycle you can find, pretty low with many features where everybody would want to have. I know most expensive one does not have turn signals. It does come with very nice LED headlight, very bright, adjustable. You can move down or further, of course, and turn whatever position you want to. Come with free fenders. So again, this is a fully loaded electric bicycle, 750 watt motor with a peak power, I would say 1028 miles an hour. Bike, if you lighter, you may go even a little bit faster, but you will not reach 35 miles an hour unless you're going downhill. Again, that's most accurate information I try to provide you, and you can make your own decision. If you're 5'5", you can even move the handlebar close to you by loosening up these 4 bolts and move close. Make sure you tighten them very well. If you don't, the handlebar can move forward, you can crash. Okay, so make sure you tighten them very well. I think it should be about 12 Newton torque. Okay, and again, before you start to ride it, when you get the bike, make sure you assemble correctly. I know they put the sticker kind of upside down, I'm not sure why, but who cares. The battery size, it's very decent. It's 48 volt system, 15 amp. Okay, based on the weight, it's pretty much accurate information. I did not do range test, but I can tell you, based on the information they provide me, it can go up to 28 miles on single charge with pedals. Based on my information, on full electric, it should go about 15 to 17 miles with my weight on. Again, there is a pretty decent sized battery for this price. The battery alone will cost you about $300 or $400, just like that. So you're getting full bicycle under $600. And if you're new to electric bicycle, it's a great bicycle to start, to ride it. It's very comfortable as commuter, or you can go to work, beach, anywhere you want to. It's a very fun to ride this bike. Again, it's smooth ride. It's not designed to go on off-road crazy trails. It's designed to go in a city riding, and 5 lanes you can ride easily. It should have very good traction, but it's not for downhill or stunt. Can you do wheelie? Most people ask. Well, probably yes. You would need to disconnect the sensor on the brakes, and you need to know how to do the wheelies. Can I do wheelies? No, I can't, but this is a sensor you would need to disconnect in order to brake, because the brakes come with the sensors. So when you push the brakes, the sensor would send the signal to the motor cut off. So when you do wheelie, you need to be able to use the brakes and some power, so it will help you to keep the balance. That's how usually people do when they do the wheelies, they disconnect the brake sensors. Hopefully this video helps you to decide, and again, if you like it, follow for me, buy one. It's available in the link below. Currently on flash sale, one of the best priced and very good looking bike. Still cannot believe it's so cheap. I reviewed over 100 bicycle, and this is probably one of the cheapest Emoped style bicycle I ever reviewed. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.